The next one, let's talk about Boolean data types. Now, if you are familiar with other programming language, Boolean is basically a value that can be either true or false. And in Postgres, you have this value that can either be true or false, and this Boolean data type. But I will show you now that you can have multiple, assign multiple in multiple ways this true value or this false value. Now I want you to know that the Boolean data type can also contain null values, and we haven't largely discussed about null values, but it's basically an empty space in memory. Now let's go to Postgres and show you how Boolean is. So if, for example, I put here select true, this means that this true automatically Postgres has did the conversion for me, and it has put it as a Boolean value. If I put false, it's false. Now I can also put this as a word, and Postgres will do this for me, but I needed to specifically assign it to Boolean. If you see here, true or false, and if I put also, you can also put yes. Yes means true, and no means false. And some databases you can even have 1 and 0. 1 is true and 0 is false, because not all databases, not all relational databases support this Boolean data type. For example, Oracle doesn't have a Boolean data type, and the way you will represent Boolean is with this 1 and 0 value. You can also type T and Y. This is basically some prefixes for this value. True, Y is from yes, and no means false, and F means false also. And you can see here, you can even type for the first 3 letters, and Postgres will be smart enough to figure out it's a false value if you assign it to Boolean. Now you can also put it like null, and it will basically be an empty space in memory. So this is all about Boolean data types, either true or false, but there are multiple ways you can assign this. Depends on your application and use case and so on.